article writing increase traffic and drive up your sales. Article writing is a great way to increase the amount of traffic to your website, more importantly, increasing your exposure to the world. Writing articles is all about getting links to your website, usually done from within a resource box. Your resource box should contain links back to your website. After someone reads your article, if they are looking for additional information on the subject, they are redirected to your website. Resources boxes play an important role in developing backlinks to your website, which are very important to search engines for ranking your site against your competition. Backlinks are one of the key factors that search engine use to rate your website based on relevance of a specific keyword or topic. Creating an effective resource box will drive traffic to your website each time a reader would like additional information about the topic. Article writing by far is the fastest way to build your backlinks, drive traffic to your website. Traffic is ultimately what you want, right? You did not build your website just to sit there and wait for people to stumble upon it occasionally. In addition, article writing is a fast and effective way to get your website indexed with the major search engines. When articles are published to directories that already have a lot of traffic, your site is picked up by the search engine's crawlers the next time they visit their website. This means faster indexing and inclusion in search engines. Once you write an article, you have to get it published. This is very easy to do. Find article directories that are high traffic and user-friendly. High traffic sites are your best option. Your article spread around the internet much faster, and therefore getting you traffic faster. The more articles that you write, the more traffic you drive to your website. A good number to start with is 5 articles. Write and publish a minimum of 5 per day, or at least 150 per month. In the right directories and distribution, you can build thousands of backlinks a month.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.